Finding love over 50 while living in an RV or van can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Here are some tips to help you find companionship on the road. Look for someone who loves to travel and has similar goals to yours. This will help you build a strong connection with your partner and make your journey more enjoyable. Join RV-related groups on Facebook like RV Signals, RVers Connection, Traveling Solo, RVing Camping, to connect with like-minded people. These groups can help you find new friends and potential partners who share your interests. Use popular dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge, or niche apps like Nomad Soulmates, Tour Bar, and Ferry Trail to find other RV enthusiasts who share your interests and increase your chances of making a meaningful connection. Attend RV-related events such as rallies, meetups, and shows. These events provide an opportunity to meet new people and make friends with similar interests. Take up a new hobby or activity that interests you. This can be a great way to meet new people and learn a new skill. Be honest and protect your identity. Share only your first name initially and meet in public places. Visit local hangout spots like farmers markets, dog parks, happy hours, and local coffee shops to connect with fellow singles. Meeting locals may take extra effort, but it has its perks. Living in a vehicle can be complicated, but it's also an opportunity to meet new people and explore new places. Remember, stay safe and have fun. If you found these tips valuable, then please hit the subscribe button and show some love with a like. And that's how you can take your camping experience to the next level.